Hello all, welcome to Technostic. In the series of artificial intelligence, today's topic of discussion is applications of artificial intelligence. While we are learning about what is artificial intelligence, where it was origin, it is very important to know that where we can use artificial intelligence. So let's just dive into it. There are 5 main parts of artificial intelligence where artificial intelligence is booming currently. There are other applications also, but these 5 main domains are currently working excessively on artificial intelligence. So first one is philosophy. That provides a relationship between the physical brain and mental mind. So philosophy is one of the applications. Second area is mathematics. So AI will develop concrete and format rules. So AI can develop multiple rules and equations directly from the given particular data. Like how you think would previous mathematicians have made rules and axioms and theorems? They had data and then they kept on experimenting. So artificial intelligence can do it within seconds. Like if you provide them the data that this much amount of things are there and this is what is the pattern over here that at least a human can see, so it can contemplate and come out with an equation to connect all the data. So for mathematics it is used heavily currently. Second is economics. So it will maximize payoff and decision under certain circumstances. So you may have heard about artificial intelligence in stock markets. Even blockchain is a application or a way forward branch of artificial intelligence only. And then in economics also it is used heavily. So that is also one of the applications. Actually this branch is actually working more in artificial intelligence than any other, and that's why one of the reasons that data science is booming is because of this application. Mainly one of the reasons, not entirely, but one of the main reasons. Then second is neuroscience, even medical science. It will provide information which is related to brain processing. So how brain works and how can it be bettered. And we are comparing machine intelligence with human intelligence. Then we can compare it in all domains and we can bring about changes in neuroscience also. So one of the applications is neuroscience. It has proved very efficient actually. And then is physiology. So it will provide strong concept of how human and animals think. So some of the more applications of are autonomous planning and scheduling and diagnosis of some diseases, game playing. Game playing also was one of the main applications of artificial intelligence when it actually came as a booming industry. So in the starting it was only focused on game playing and then other applications came. Then robotics. Currently robotics is also a booming area. Then speech and handwriting recognition and computer vision. So these are all the applications of AI. So that's all about applications of AI. So first 5 main domains is psychology, mathematics, economics, neuroscience, physiology, and apart from then it is autonomous planning and scheduling, then diagnosis, game playing, robotics, speech and handwriting recognition, computer vision, etc., and so on and so forth are all the applications of artificial intelligence. So thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content to our channel. Also do like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get the latest video updates to our channel. Thank you.